Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a simple, easy, delicious dessert, a hot cross bun banoffee. We will start with a pouring caramel sauce. In a pan, put sugar on medium to high heat, then add water. I will leave a list of ingredients in the description box below. Stir to mix. Brush the edges of the pan with water to avoid sugar crystallization. Once it starts simmering, do not stir, swirl the pan occasionally. Once the syrup starts to be golden, reduce the heat to medium. Once the color turns gold, add the cold butter, stir until it melts, then remove the caramel from the heat. Switch off the heat, add cream and stir until it is blended. The cream will cook with the residual heat from the stove. A very warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Add vanilla extract or essence and a pinch of salt. Stir. Cool it in the pan for 10 minutes, then you may store it in a bottle. May I kindly ask you this favor, that you do not skip the ads so I can make some revenue. Let's toast some rolls. In a pan, melt butter, and once it's melted, cut the hot cross buns into halves and put the bottom part facing downwards. This is on medium-high. I have used chocolate hot cross buns. They complement the caramel. Or you may use brioche or sourdough hot cross buns. Oops, I bent them. My heart was sore. Set them aside to cool. In the same pan, wipe it, then melt butter, add sugar and mix them well. A big thank you to my returning subscribers for your great support. I'm very proud of you. Cut the bananas in the middle, then fry them facing downwards in the same pan with caramelized sugar. Fry them for 2 minutes or until golden. Apologies for the missing footage. The camera was full. I had to delete some footage as the process of cooking continued. Turn them over and fry the other sides. Once they are golden, set them aside to cool down. In a mixing bowl, add cold whipping cream. Do not add the sugar. Whip until they are stiff peaks. To avoid over mixing, finish whipping the cream with a whisk. Like this. Drizzle the cooled caramel on the cream and gently swirl it, meaning do not blend them entirely. You may use a thin utensil like a wooden skewer. It will look great. Let's assemble our dessert. Drizzle the caramel on the buns, then follow with a banana. Follow the banana with a dollop of cream. Be generous with it. Close with the top half of the bun. In fact, put it on the side. Then sprinkle with powdered sugar, or what we call icing sugar. Please press the like button and comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. I hope you will enjoy this dessert. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.